Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my affiliate marketing results for the month of January. Guys, welcome to the channel. If you're here for the first time, I'm excited to share this journey with you. I use this channel to document every single thing I'm doing. And if you guys want to, subscribe and actually let me know that you're interested, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so we can get into the content. And I am definitely excited to share with you exactly my results, and also as a bonus, how you can start to have the right skill sets with affiliate marketing and to start to get those results yourself. Do you want that? Then let's hop onto my screen and share with you some more. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. As I said here, I am on my screen at the moment. And before I go ahead and share with you exactly my results, I want to welcome you here. If you're watching this for the first time, I know that a lot of subscribers do come back, and I have a lot of new subscribers. So if you haven't yet subscribed, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Reason being is that I post 3 times a week, every single week, and I do these monthly reports for you guys just to document my entire journey with affiliate marketing. I created this channel to document and share with you tips that I'm using within my online journey, whether it's any kind of skill sets. I'm focusing mainly on affiliate marketing. I do have a full-time job. I do this on the side, and I wanted to share with you my journey. So let's go ahead and talk about specifically the strategy that I use. If you're a new person getting started, then this would be interesting for you. And also at the end of the day, you're going to get something very, very special at the end of this video. So make sure that you stick till the very end to get that special bonus. Okay. So let's go ahead and share with you a little bit about my journey. I personally got started online a long time ago, actually, but I have a full-time job. As I said, I had my successes, my failures, and everything else. But at the end of the day, I documented and I also saw which of the skill sets I actually needed with affiliate marketing, and just to push away the noise. So in 2023, exactly last year, I said I put pen to paper and I have this strategy made. So the strategy consists of 2 exact steps, as you can see right here. One is what I call step 1, which is a cash flow generation step. Now, I talk about this step on Mondays. So if you want to check that out, I have a whole playlist for Mondays, and I basically speak about it on Mondays. And then I have step number 2, which deals with promoting the business and actually having a solid affiliate marketing foundations, your essentials to help you grow for the long term. You want to be doing this in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years as a career down the line, and have it predictable for you. That's the point. A lot of the people that I found when I got started, I needed to know my purpose. A lot of the people that I found online did not know their purpose. And that's one of the reasons why I needed to dig deep internally and then figure that purpose out. And that purpose specifically for me was to spend less time online and live my life to the best of my ability. And that allowed me to have a clear focus on what exactly and create the strategy, what exactly I wanted out of my affiliate marketing. So I do not use free advertising. Let me just say this. I do not use free advertising in my business. I document my journey on YouTube and basically share a lot of tips on Facebook as well. But the whole purpose of me sharing the strategy and creating the strategy was to have a predictable source of income. In doing so, I knew for a fact that I needed to do paid advertising. With affiliate marketing, you have 2 skill sets that are primary skill sets. Advertising keeps the machine rolling, keeps the ball rolling always. And then you have copywriting, which helps with your conversion. So if you master advertising, that's great. You have a consistent flow. Then in order to improve your business and scale up your business, you need to focus on the conversions, which is copywriting. That's how I look at the entire whole process. And this all is explained in Affiliate Marketing Essentials, which is my course that I've put together. And you can check that course in the description of this video. Okay, so just saying that anytime you want to see exactly how the strategy works, you can get the course, and it is all there. Now you will see it for yourself. I'm not going to go into more details. And plus you get the one-on-one support from that course. So let's go ahead and explain to you step 1. So step 1, as I said, is I use a source called My Lead Gen Secrets to actually have traffic running to an offer that generates me sales. Then I take those sales and I advertise using paid advertising. I do not use these results, and not with free advertising. It's just with paid advertising that goes to a whole sales process. And this sales process is automated for me. So I don't need to be on the computer. I don't need to be at my laptop. I don't need to spend too much time doing it. So that's the whole entire process. Now, what does this do for me? This entire process allows me to have a running cost of $30 per month. That's all. And keep running my business first and foremost. And I'm going to show you guys the results. So I used step number 1 with 2 affiliate marketing networks right now. Last year I used it just with one, and now what I'm doing is I'm doing it with two networks. So two networks, affiliate marketing networks, are basically places where you can find products or services that you can be an affiliate for and then get a commission on that. So this is all explained in the course, by the way. So you can feel free to click on that and get the course if you want affiliate marketing essentials. But I use Warrior Plus and I use ClickBank. Now I'm going to show you guys both how it results. I just started to use ClickBank this month. I haven't used it before, very transparently speaking. I haven't used it before. I just used a ClickBank this month and I already started to get some results. So this is going to be nice, clear potential to show you how much I'm actually earning. I also did not bring out my tool. I use System.io as my main, automation tool that I have here. So let's go ahead and look at everything to see exactly how much I earn. Now, I'm not going to take into consideration my own earnings. Let's put January, but I'm not going to take into consideration, guys. So I'm not going to take into consideration this earnings right here specifically because this is my course earnings. It's fine. Just a little bit amount that comes in, which I use for also paid advertising. But the point here is I wanted to show you guys a little bit of how things are working. So I've got in the month of January 196 new people onto my email list, which is not bad. Could be better, but it's not bad at all. And we're going to be talking about everything here. Okay, so I have a funnel set up and this is where I use my automation. It's explained in the course below, so feel free to check that out if you want it. Now, let's go ahead and look at my earnings step by step. Let's use Warrior Plus first. We go to Warrior Plus, we'll go to transactions. And just to show you that this has been working for now over a year for me, let me just go to 2023, pull up the sales report, and you guys can see that from February last year I started, and you can see that it has been basically giving me results. And this month I've earned over $500 in commissions, net profit on my Warrior Plus account. So you can see how it's nicely progressing over the months. It's not always going to be going up. It's going to be up and down, but it is always progressing and is consistent. And the thing over here that is consistent, it's predictable, consistent income. That's how I see it for myself. Oh, now let's go ahead and actually look at the transaction so you guys can see it. But in the month of January, so I'm going to put here January, or let's just do this month or last month. So go from January 1st to the 31st, as you guys can see here, and 502 in commissions, $1,000 plus in sales. So that's cool to have that. And this is consistent. You can see it's a mixture. Okay, so from let's just use MLGS, which is from my step one. This is step one. Okay, so I said there are two steps. This is step one. From step one, I've earned around $290.20. So that's how much I earned from step one. And the rest of the income that I've earned basically for this month has been from step two. So which gives me a total of $500 and $502 and 0.5 cents. Okay, so you can see right here. These are all commissions that are now being processed, going to be paid out to me, etc., etc. Some are coming in. These have already come through, as you can see. And transactions are there. 32 items basically I sold in the month of in the month of January. So it's been a very, very good month for me. I've tested out multiple offers with step one. I've tested multiple offers here on step one. And I've also got commissions from my emails, as you can see, from my funnel as well, from Facebook as well, from my funnel, and also from my emails, as you guys can see right here. So that my emails are converting, which is good, and everything else seems to be working in place. So what this tells me is that this strategy is running. It's running, it's working, it's consistent. But additionally to this, what I'm doing is I also earned $40, around $39.49 from ClickBank itself. So let's put all those numbers together. Okay, so we have 502.05 plus 39 point, how much was that in ClickBank? 49. Then you have my Legion Secrets, which is what I'm using for my traffic. So it's my only running expense of $30 every month. Let's see how much I earned here, but I guess it is $90. Nine payments in the last month. So I have to be careful here. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is just for privacy sakes. I didn't want you guys to see the name, so that's why. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, 10 payments for the last month. So that's $50 plus $50 there, which is totally $591. This is the total amount that I have basically got from these three itself. I'm not counting these sales, as I said. Otherwise, if I did, it would be more than $600 for the month, as you guys can see. But we'll not count those sales because those sales are purely for, that's my course sales. Okay. And I basically charge €1 for my course, which is why it's you can see as it is as it is. Okay, so that means a total of, as we said over here, what is it? 591 and 54. This is what I've earned for the month of January. And I'm going to deduct my fees of $30 US, which is what I've spent. So the total of net profit, this is purely profit, is $561. Now, guys, these $561, what do you think happens over here? I basically utilize it to be able to start to now scale up my business in step 2. So I'm scaling up my business slowly until I reach a target that I'm happy with. Now, my aim in my course also, as I explained, is to have at least 10,000 clicks every single day, every single month, predictably to my funnel so that I can get a higher conversion and then pocket the rest. But right now you can see if you're starting from scratch and you want to get into the game and see how it is, you can start it with a reasonable amount and grow your business. But for the last month of January, that's been my total earnings. Again, these are my results. I'm not guaranteeing you the same results. I cannot guarantee you the same results. I have all my income disclosures in the description of this video. But the reason why I'm saying this is that it is possible. Remember, what you've seen right here is predictable income since I got started. So just to show you guys, my all-time earnings with this strategy is now almost $4,000, and I've done 275 sales. This strategy is all about being focused. Maybe it's even boring, but at least it is becoming predictable. And what you need to focus on is the essentials. So once you have the advertising going and working for you, you're focusing on improving your skills like copywriting. You're focusing on improving, for example, how you write an email. Who is your audience that you have in front of you? What words can you use? Do you improve your subject line? Do you improve your emails itself? How do you do all these things? So everything is shared in the description of this video, so you can check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed the journey. I want to be extremely transparent on this channel, as you guys can see. We're going to be talking 3 days a week about multiple skill sets. I will be covering this Monday also my specific Miley step 1 results so that you guys can see the difference. Right now I'm earning more from step 1 than step 2. But eventually what will happen is step 2 will be the major earning or the major income source for myself, and step 1 will be supporting that. So we want step 1 to support that. Initially, step 1 will start it, gets the ball rolling, and then step 2 maintains it. That's what we want to go, and then scale it up. That's how I look at it. It's something that I started last year. It's not something that everybody's sharing with you. Although big marketers are actually applying these exact skill sets in their business, they don't really share this information with you. So I wanted to document my journey, show you guys. I started from scratch last year. Now I'm making $500 a month. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. There is work that's needed. But like I said, I'm here to support you so you can get affiliate marketing essentials, get into my Facebook group, and I can support you one-on-one right there to help you out with all the details that are necessary. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.